Familiarize yourself with the 2012 Ford Escape. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 3-liter 6-cylinder engine. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, like leather upholstery, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, heated door mirrors, and a split-folding rear seat. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and ABS brakes. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.